I'm Deathlake. In this video I'm going to be going through this miniature freebie haul. So start off, I go with these. So these were free after cashback. I can't remember what app it is. I'll probably put it on the screen somewhere if I find out what app this was from. I'm also going to put a link in the description box of some of the cashback apps I've used. I'm assuming these are new. This is why it's completely 100% free. Pellegrini and I'm not gonna try and pronounce that. The pasta. I was gonna say pasta. It has no plastic packaging and it's already this actually just flopped open. Free Red Bull drink. Next is this Cadbury Nutter. It's a free bar. There's a side with peanuts and almonds with high fibre. The side with Cadbury milk chocolate. Looking forward to eating this. Just realised there's a free bar of any flavour that can redeem as a voucher. Up next is this. I can't remember if this was sopost or if this is from hydro acids capsules. Not too sure what this is. These are blocks. I don't remember ordering this. So this is the Sunflower Challenge Together TV. Free sunflower seeds, and then let's get I think I looked online to see information. It says see information where you can see information how to grow them. Avocado. I think this was from Sopost or from Body Shop. Sponsored post. Was this from Sopost? I'm not too sure. If anyone remembers, please do comment below. So this is the avocado moisturiser. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my face for more content. And please do comment below what type of pasta do you like eating? Or noodles. Thank you for watching.